This is the story of a 99-year-old abandoned cruise ship reborn as a luxury ocean mansion, a cinematic transformation of history, steel, and imagination. From satellite to shoreline, the camera sweeps across rusted decks and broken portholes, revealing decades of salt, stories, and stubborn endurance against the sea. Built nearly a century ago, this vessel sailed grand routes long before commercial aviation rewrote travel, then faded into neglect after decades of service. Abandoned for years, the ship became a quiet monument, peeling paint, collapsed fittings, and the slow work of wind and salt on its bones. Then a bold idea emerged: preserve the hull, reimagine the interior, and convert the relic into a modern ocean mansion with unparalleled luxury amenities. Over the next 5 chapters, we trace history, the acquisition, the restoration, and the lavish reveal that turned rust into refinement. Launched in the early 1920s, the ship served as a symbol of luxury travel, carrying passengers on transoceanic voyages for decades. Its interiors once glittered with chandeliers, mahogany staircases, and ornate salons designed for elegance and social life at sea. As air travel grew and shipping routes shifted, older liners lost relevance and maintenance became prohibitively expensive for owners. Left to weather and time, systems failed, decks sagged, and the vessel slowly became an icon of industrial decay along the coastline. Local stories grew around the ship. Photographers, explorers, and urban historians documented its slow transformation from pride to relic. But where many saw ruin, the few saw possibility. A preserved hull could host modern systems and interiors while keeping the ship's character intact. A private consortium purchased the vessel with a clear brief: conserve heritage, add contemporary luxury, and make the ship habitable year-round. Naval architects, interior designers, and marine engineers assembled to assess feasibility and to create an audacious restoration plan. Early renderings showed grand atriums, glass-walled suites, and terraces that preserved the ship's silhouette while welcoming modern light and space. Key challenges included hull integrity, maritime regulations, long-term anchoring, and integrating high-end mechanical systems within a vintage frame. Permits, environmental studies, and naval tests followed. Every decision balanced preservation with modern safety and luxury standards. With approvals in hand, an ambitious restoration began. Part conservation project, part interior design overhaul, part engineering marvel. Restoration began with stripping hazardous materials, removing old systems, and stabilizing the hull to modern structural standards. Engine rooms were gutted and repurposed. New HVAC, electrical, and plumbing systems were designed to fit within the existing frames. Decks were reinforced, floors relaid, and original staircases restored alongside new glass partitions and panoramic windows for ocean views. Artisans applied premium materials, Italian marble, sustainably sourced teak, and custom metalwork to create an interior language of understated luxury. Side-by-side comparisons reveal the dramatic shift: rusted hull and empty cabins transformed into sunlit suites and curated public spaces. Final sea trials and stability tests confirmed the mansion could safely host residents and guests while honoring the ship's original spirit. The grand entry doubles as an atrium with a floating staircase, sculptural lighting, and a spine of glass that floods the interior with ocean light. Suites feature floor-to-ceiling windows, bespoke furnishings, and maritime-inspired details that honor the ship's lineage while offering modern comfort. The gourmet kitchen and dining spaces cater to private chefs, while intimate lounges and a cinema offer entertainment curated for residents. Outdoor decks now host a plunge pool, spa, and private terraces, each designed to maximize horizon views and the feeling of floating above the sea. A helipad, marina access, and integrated smart systems position the Ocean Mansion as a self-contained mobile luxury residence for a modern lifestyle. More than a restoration, this project preserves maritime memory while inventing a new way to live at sea. An elegant fusion of past and present.